from Become a Better Guitar Player. And today I'm going to show you how to play Satisfaction by the Rolling Stones. This is actually one of the first songs I ever learned how to play. And it's a pretty good song for a beginner to play. So let's get started. I'll show you. So it starts out with this. So it's basically going to be an E chord. Here on the second fret, you're going to bar the A and the D string. You're going to hit this A string by itself on the second fret, and then on the fourth and the fifth. And you're going to pull it off. And then the chord progression is going to be an E chord. That's going to be your second finger on the second fret of the A, third finger on the second fret of the D. You're going to put your first finger up here on the first fret of the G. And then for a little variance in the chord, I'm pretty sure they're doing this anyway. He's hitting the third fret on the B string, off and on, like this. And the Beatles did that on a lot of songs too, and they're about the same era. So I think that's what they were doing. Then it goes down here and it does that and it makes it an A chord. So you bar the fifth fret and you put your third finger on the seventh fret of the A string, the seventh fret of the D string, you put your pinky, and then you put your second finger on the sixth fret of the G string. Then you take your pinky and you lay it down and pull it up off of the eighth fret of the B string, like this. And then when it goes into the chorus where it goes, and I try, it goes. It goes, you go back to that original E chord. Then it goes to this B chord here where you're gonna bar the second fret. And then you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to lay it across these three strings. And you're going to go back to the E. Then you're going to go to the A. And then it goes back into the stops for a little drum solo, and then it gets back into the And that's about all there is to satisfaction. It's a great beginner song. I think that anybody can learn this, and if you learn it and play it along with the song, and beginning to end. There's some parts where they stop, and you got to count off, and then it goes back to the. So there's more to it than just a couple of simple chords, and I think it's a great beginner song. And I hope it helps you out. If it does, like and subscribe to my channel, and leave something in the comments for some songs you might want to learn in the future, and I'll see if I can make a lesson for them. All right? Thank you. Have a great day.